What is up guys, welcome back to a brand new video of TechSmart YouTube channel. In this video I'll be showing you how to convert a user app into a system app easily, but definitely this requires root. So if you don't have root, you can search on YouTube or check out my other videos on how to root an Android device. So without wasting any time, let's start the video. In this video I'll be going to convert this Chrome browser to a system app. You can see this is a user app which is showing uninstall button. So first of all you will have to go to Play Store, then search for link to SD. Then install the first app showing link to SD. After installation is done, open the app. Here you have to grant super user root permission. Then search for the app you want to convert. I am going to convert Chrome. Check this user section and this Chrome. After that you will have to click on the three-dot menu, then convert to system app. Then press OK. Now you will have to reboot your phone once. Let me reboot my phone and check it. So after rebooting, let me show you how it is showing in the link to SD app. Here you can see in the system app section the Chrome is available here, and it is now showing convert to user app. Now you can see there is no uninstall button, instead app info. Here you can see instead of uninstall button it is showing disable. So this is how you can convert a user app to a system app. Thanks for watching the video.